Everyone, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking. In case it is your very first time coming across this beautiful channel, welcome. My name is Miss Ano, and kindly subscribe if you haven't. Give a video a thumbs up, turn on the post notification bell so that each and every time I drop a new video you're gonna be notified. So thank you guys for coming back once again, and I'm here to give you an exclusive tour of the place where I stay. I know it is just a humble beginning, but kindly comment down below what you think of the place where I stay. And yes, so without wasting much time, let's get straight to the video, and let me start right from here. Okay, so this is how I'm dressed. So I've put this thing on because my hair isn't that good. It is supposed to be done, but I haven't done so. So that is why I'm doing this. That is why I'm putting on this. And yeah, I'm just in the house. This is how I am right now. So that is how it look like, guys, and let's go straight to the video. More. So guys, let's start from the door. This is how the door looks like. Yes, and don't judge me, guys. The floor, even if you clean, that is how it looks like. So yes, those are my curtains. Have these white chairs right here, and then this one. This is how usually I do it, and this is the windows. You guys, you know how bed sitters look like. And then I fixed the other side, but unfortunately it came out, so I haven't found time to fix it again. So that is how basically everything looks like. So immediately after the door, I have this mat. So if you're a visitor, this is what you're gonna use. Yes, so this is what I use right here. So I have another one. Let me show you. So guys, those are my Crocs that I use when I'm going outside. Then immediately after the door, you go straight. Okay, you come straight to the kitchen, and welcome to the kitchen. So this is how cutleries and everything that I use while cooking. Yeah, it is just a humble beginning. Hope you can see how everything looks like. So guys, this is what is this? I don't know how it is called. Let me show you. This is this one. I don't know. I use it to enhance the scent in my house. The Divine Agarabethis. I don't know. I found these at town when I was coming. Yes, when I went to town. That is Eldoret town. So let me show you how they are. They're like this. This is how it looks like. So what I usually do is, because I don't have a stable place where I use a band when I'm burning it, I place it right here. And because of the ash, that is why I prefer placing it right here. So I place it here, and this is the ash after it has burned. So I haven't flashed right here. And this is what I use. This is the soap that I use right here, the hand wash, the steel wool. Yes, it is just simple as that. And then I have this working service right over here. I just love it because it gives me easy time to do whatever that I want. And then I have this beautiful flower. I'm a lover of beautiful things, so I haven't got that money that I need to make each and everything that I want. So I have to improvise at least the place I say to look beautiful. Then I have these hand towels right here. So this is what I've done. I have another one right here, and then on that. So this is where I place my shopping. You can see everything right here. I haven't arranged, I haven't been feeling well. Even if I'm doing this video, I'm not feeling well. So this is how everything looks like. Yes, I have my serviettes right there. And then guys, I haven't done shopping, so everything you're gonna see here is just nothing. So these are empty. I use this one to place rice, but it is not there. Sugar, what else? I don't even know what I usually, but these had some omenas, and then I have this cooking flour right over there. So immediately after that, the other opposite side, I haven't done any shopping. So this is how everything looks like. I have these jerry cans in case there is shortage of water. I put some water right here, but because this place doesn't have water shortage, so they are empty. And then this is how everything looks right here. This is where I put my ginger, garlic, and all those things, but unfortunately they are over. I only have the garlic, and then I'm a lover of lemon, so they are remaining two. I haven't done shopping guys, so that is how everything looks like. I place this, okay, I put fruits right here, my garlic, ginger, fruits, and then tomatoes, and then onions, of which I don't have any right now. Then this is my beautiful table that I use when I'm cooking. So, and this is my gas right over here. So that is how basically everything looks like, and then that is how it looks right from the door. So down here sorry, so right here I have my sufurias. That is how everything is placed. I don't have anything right now, but that is it. And then down here, this is my dustbin. Yeah, that is how everything looks like. Then immediately after that, so that is how my kitchen looks like. That is how everything looks like. That is how everything looks like. That is how my dining table looks like. It is a multi-purpose table, and I love it due to the fact that it serves me well. I just love this space, and it is very comfortable to sit on. So I'm a lover of lemon, and I'm always near to lemon. Now that I don't have ginger, I usually drink hot water with lemon. That is why you've seen that kettle right over there. And then these are my books. I don't love reading stories, but I want to learn to read stories because they are food for the brain. So yeah, I have this by Ben Castle, the big picture and everything, my prayer book, my Bible, my notebook, and other things right there. These are my exercise books. I have lots of pens. This is cold water. If I wanna drink, this is cold water. And there is always a flask that stays here, but I haven't placed it today. And then another flower. So that is how basically everything looks like. I removed this one. I know this is not the right place that is supposed to be, but that is where I've placed it right now, but I'll remove it. And then this is where my entertain section is. Yeah, this is how everything looks like. My home theater system, my hoofer, and then my this beautiful light. Yes, this beautiful. So that is how it looks like. Yeah, so I hope you're getting the view. I don't have much things guys. And then welcome to my seat. Everything looks like at the wall. It doesn't have much, so I'm planning to remove it, but I'm thinking on what to do next. And then I have this beautiful couch right over here. So when you sit, I usually love when people sit, or I sit here so that I can watch it easily. Yes, So that is how basically everything looks like. And down here I have my mat. Don't have another table, so this is how it looks like. And then welcome to the queen's bed. So this is where I sleep, guys. Yeah, this is where I sleep. It is just that simple, doesn't have anything much. That is how everything looks like. And this is my notebook. I usually write whatever that I want to do right here, a lot of things, my stuffs. So I love when it is there, and I write when I'm here or when I'm seated at the table or the dining table. Yeah, so that is how everything looks like. Yes, and guys, these are my clothes. These clothes are clean. They are clean, but I've just become lazy. I haven't conjured them, I don't know. So it's only that I've become lazy, but they are so clean. They need to be kept. And then this is where I place my this is where I've placed my shoes. I don't have much. That is what I usually use. These are supposed to be placed right here. You see how careless I am. So this is how everything is, and this is my wardrobe. Those are dresses I've placed there. This place was so full, so yes. And these are my beauty things, and another bag down there. It isn't even arranged, but that is how basically everything looks like. Yes, so guys, that is how my sitting bedroom looks like. Comment down below, guys, what do you think of this place? Is it beautiful? What else do you maybe you think I should change, and all those stuff? And then guys, the last place is the bathroom, and that is how it looks like. Yes, so welcome to where everything happens. So it looks like I'm from the shower right now, so that is why you're seeing that water. These are my basins. That is where I place everything, where I brush my teeth, my toilet tissue, my toothbrush, and my toothbrush. That is where they are accommodated. Yeah, so that is how everything looks like, guys. I have my face scrub and everything, my downy and all those stuffs. This is how everything looks like, guys. Yeah. Then guys, comment down below on what you think of on my house. What should I change? This doesn't have much, but yeah. So comment down below, guys, on what you think of my beautiful place. Don't forget to subscribe, give a video a thumbs up, and share to your friends. So until the next video, love you.